Hey besties! Ever want your nails to look cute, but you don't have time to go to the salon? Today, I'm doing the Heyhae Coffee Run Gel Nail Design at home. Heyhae gel nails come with everything you need in one kit, so you don't have to prepare anything extra. You get the gel strips, a wooden stick for your cuticles, a prep pad, and a nail file. Before applying, make sure to wash your hands first. If there's any oil, lotion, or dust left on your hands, the gel strips might not stick as well. After washing, dry your hands completely, especially around your nails. Now, let's prep the nails. This step is super important because good prep helps the gel strips apply more smoothly and last longer. First, I'm gently pushing back my cuticles with the wooden stick. Don't push too hard, just gently clean up the cuticle line. After that, I'm shaping my nails with the file. I'm going for a soft, rounded shape because I think it matches the coffee run design really well. Next, I'm using the prep pad to wipe each nail. This removes any natural oils, dust, or leftover residue from the nail surface. Then, I'm using an all-care base coat to help protect my natural nails. Now, choose the right size for each nail. You want the strip to fit from side to side, but if you're in between sizes, it's better to size down. If the strip is too big, the sides can lift more easily. Heyhae gel strips are flexible, so even if the size feels a little off, you can gently stretch it to fit your nail better. Here's the first application tip. Don't place the gel strip right on top of your cuticle. If it sits too close to the skin, it can create a tiny ridge and start lifting as your nails grow. Instead, leave about a 1 mm gap from the cuticle line. This helps the edges lay flat and gives you a cleaner, longer-lasting finish. Here's the second tip. Instead of just dropping the strip in the center and hoping it works, anchor one side first. Then, gently stretch it toward the other side and smooth it down. Press from the center outward to remove any air bubbles. Make sure to press firmly around the edges and the cuticle line so everything seals properly. Once the strip is on, trim the extra part at the tip of your nail. You don't have to make it perfect at this stage. After curing, we're going to file the edges anyway, so just trim off the extra strip lightly. Don't overthink it. This part can be easy. Heyhae gel strips cure naturally when exposed to light. If it's sunny outside, you can place your nails under sunlight for a few minutes. If you're applying them at night or on a cloudy day, you can use an LED lamp for about 30 seconds. If the strips don't feel fully hardened after that, cure them for a few more seconds until they're set. Now, I'm going to file the edges. File in one direction only, downward to smooth out the tip. Try not to saw back and forth too much. Filing downward helps create a cleaner edge and a smoother finish. And here's the final look. The coffee run design is so cute, but still really clean and wearable. It looks glossy, cozy, and honestly, very salon looking for something you can do at home. Heyhae has so many other designs besides coffee run. Go check them out and let me know which design you think is the cutest. Which one should I try next? And if you have your own self-nail tips, leave them in the comments too. I'd love to try them in the next video.